In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sweep the frequency of AC voltage source. Okay. For that, firstly, I need the MATLAB function in Simulink. Okay. Just double click on the canvas and type MATLAB function. This is a MATLAB function, and you have to type a simple code. Okay. Like y equals sweep, and t is the only input of my function. Okay, and let's take initial frequency f0 equals 5, and frequency will be increased plus increase at the rate k equals 50. Okay, and frequency equals f0 plus k into t. Okay, now this is the output. Y equals let's take amplitude like 10 just into sine 2 pi frequency and t. Okay, and that's all you need. And here t is our simulation type. Okay, for that, browse your library and sources, you'll find clock here. Sorry. Okay, now let's connect it. That's all you need. Now I have to convert this to a voltage. Okay, for that, go Simscape, foundation library, electrical and electrical sources. Here you will find control voltage source. Okay, and then I need Simulink PS converter and solver configuration block and PS Simulink converter. Okay, and now under electrical element, take electrical reference, and I need a sensor, voltage sensor. Okay, this is the control voltage source, and I want to uh, take input as variable frequency and add your voltage sensor here and electrical reference. Yeah, and this is our, and we need a scope. Okay, scope is under sync, and this is our scope. These are voltage. I'm taking another one to check this. Okay, that's all. Now run your model. Sorry, there is a, I think, problem of step size. Solve our details and take max step size like 1e minus 4. Click OK and run this again. Hopefully this works. It's fine. Now I'm taking a stop size just 1 second. Now you can see this is our output. Okay, our frequency is varying over